Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back. Today is Friday, the 20th of October. So in today's video, I'm just going to tell you how you should be caring for your hair, especially when it comes to shampoos. Now, I was asked about a clarifying shampoo. Someone had tagged me on that video that I did previously when I used the Preo shampoo. I was asked how often did I use that. Isn't that a little harsh? That shampoo, I use it as a clarifying shampoo. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about today. I want to thank everyone who are here today. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my video. Thank you, and I really appreciate you. Okay, those of you who have never subscribed before, you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button up there. Press the bell, make sure that the notifications are on so you won't miss any of my videos. I'm on here twice out the week, okay? Thank you ever so kindly. So now we all should know by now that a clarifying shampoo, it really is supposed to be used as a deep cleansing of the scalp to really get rid of all of the dirt, oil, whatever we put in our hair, correct? I had a few women that were saying that they don't use it on a monthly basis. Good for you. And you should pat yourself on the back because I have changed that route as well and my hair has become healthier. Like I told you guys before, I am not following YouTube trends. Some woman said that all these trends have you jumping through hoops and doing cartwheels. You know, I had to laugh at that. That really tickled me because a lot of women are following these and they're still lost. And my heart goes out to them. Okay. And if you're one of those women, maybe this video is for you. Okay. So I'm not saying not use a clarifying shampoo. I'm just saying when to use a clarifying shampoo. Only you know your hair. Only you know everything about your hair, what you put in, what it need, what it don't need. Only you know that. I'm just going by what I do to my hair. Now, when I use a clarifying shampoo, I use it maybe every 9 to 10 weeks because that's how long it takes for my hair to really get built up. Even after using a moisturizing shampoo, sometimes my hair can be built up. The style won't even hold up. Like my bun, I notice my bun, it won't really sit up real thick. You know, it won't sit up. It'll just like, it'll look a little flat. And that's when I know that, you know how you lay down on your bun and it look like that? This is how it does when I freshly do my hair. So I know at that point, I need to do a deep cleansing of my scalp and my hair. My hair's a little way down. So by doing this on a monthly basis and my hair, it didn't work for me. It was kind of drying my hair out. Okay. So a lot of you may be going through that. If you are, maybe you need to step back a little bit. Okay. And then just pay attention to your hair. You should know your own characteristics when it comes to your hair. This will help you set a good foundation as far as a hair care regimen. You get what I'm saying? Because using these clarifying shampoos often in your hair routine on a monthly basis or every 2-week basis, it will fade your color. Even if you color your color will be fade. Your hair will look dull. It will reverse the health of your scalp and your hair for real because it's too harsh. You shouldn't use it on a monthly basis because YouTube say so. Okay? Stop doing that. You do what's best for your hair. Now, if your hair needs to be deep cleansed on a monthly basis, then, you know, maybe you're using too many products in your hair or being too heavy, you know, when it comes to your hair. But know your own characteristics as far as your hair. Don't be unrealistic when it comes to your hair, okay? Because this can damage your hair. It can really damage your hair. If you're following trends, if you're doing this and doing that, and you don't know what you're doing, it can really damage your hair, okay? Those moisturizing shampoos will clean your hair. It cleaned mine, especially when I'm stretching. I showed it. I did reviews tons of times, be showing my scalp and my hair. And I do that when I further stretch because some people feel that, well, when you're stretching like that, you need to do a deep cleansing as often. No, I do not. No, I do not. Okay? I'm doing what's best for my hair. That might work for you, but it doesn't work for me. Okay? And this is how you keep your hair healthy, by knowing your own hair. Okay? I really hope and pray that this video will help you. I do have a hair date. I'm going to wash my hair right after this video, and I probably would just upload this video later on this evening, or you probably see it Saturday morning. Okay, depending on how I feel. Okay, so I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope and pray that this helped you. As far as using the clarifying shampoo, I know a couple of people said that it dries the hair out and their scalp, but these shampoos are designed, okay, to really do a deep cleanse, and it does dry out your scalp, your hair, and your natural oils, which is sebum. It dries that out. We have that naturally, and it dries it out. So please be careful in how often you are using these shampoos, clarifying shampoos. Okay, you don't have to follow everybody. You really don't. Do what's best for you. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Take heart in everything that you do. Do it wisely. Okay. And just pay attention. Go back to basics. Pay attention. Just moisturize your hair. You know, cleanse your hair, moisturize your hair, you know, moisturize and seal. Do hot oil treatments. Do a pre-poop. You get what I'm saying? This will really help your hair for real. But you have to be consistent. Okay. Thank you ever so kindly. Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.